A set of affordable earbuds has launched the week in the form of the Cave GH3 3D, which not only offer 3D virtual surround sound but also a USB Type-C connection, Apple MFi Lightning connection. Together with zero audio lag and inline remote control and microphone, enabling you to make calls and control your smartphone audio directly from your earbuds. The earbuds are equipped with 13mm high-sensitivity drivers to provide users with immersive surround sound and powerful bass frequencies, says development team. The earbuds also offer a 32 ohms impedance, allowing them to be used with a wide range of low-voltage CMOS-based electronic devices such as laptops and smartphones. There's no need to interrupt your workout. Choose a MFi Lightning or USB-C connector for your Apple devices, or select Samsung and Android devices. The inline mic and remote let you easily switch between calls and music.